everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Happy Wednesday, everybody. On Monday, I shared with you this adorable little card, and today I wanted to share with you how to create this adorable little money purse wallet that goes with the card. So before we get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button, or you can click that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and that's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Now, any of the supplies that I used in today's video, you can find it in the description below, and if you click on that, that's going to take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started on today's adorable project. So this is a close-up of what we are going to be creating today. Now, I didn't adhere this bow because I wasn't sure. But on Monday, I showed you these two cards, and again, I couldn't decide whether I wanted to use the butterfly or the bow. Now, whichever card you decide you're going to give, I would suggest finishing off your little box with that same element. So if you were going to give a card that had the bow, you would use the bow on your little box type thing. But anyway, so today this is what we will be creating. It's a super cute little money wallet, and again, it's to match that beautiful card that we created on Monday. So the suite of product that I chose to use is the needle and thread and the needle elements, and then of course the designer series paper to go along with that. So our cardstock today, this is in Night of Navy, and this piece measures 6 inches by 6 5/8, and we need to score this. This is our cover, and we're going to score this at 3 inches. Now you just want to make sure that this is the 6 inches, and you want to just score that at 3 inches using your lighter blade. And then you're going to fold that in half, and that's going to be your cover for your money wallet. Now this is a little belly band that slides off, and when you open it, it's got 2 places to tuck your money into. Now you can add money on one side and a little note on the inside, the other side, but just again, just a nice little project, or a gift to give to a friend. Now this is the only candy I had. I would suggest using maybe some Hershey Kisses, but that's what I had. So again, Night of Navy, this piece measures 6 inches by 6 5/8, and you're going to score this at 3 inches. Our designer series paper, for the front cover, I've cut this piece down to 2.5 inches by 6 inches, and that's going to go on the outside. I've got a little bit of multi-purpose liquid glue. You're going to add this to the front. And then these 2 pieces here, these measure 2 3/8 by 6 5/8. And you are going to add some tear and tape along the edge. You're going to repeat that on the other piece. I have my take your pick tool, and it's got a nice little pointy piece over there, and I'm going to use that to remove the backing from my tear and tape. Now you want to be careful because I have poked myself many a times with this little tool. You're now going to add this, lining it up. And you're going to repeat that with the other one. And that is all there is to this cute little money wallet. The ribbon I used is the Organdy ribbon, and this is free with a $50 purchase. And you get 5 spools, you guys, so quite a good value, you know, and I think there's 5 yards per spool, so just a great, and again, you know, I've tied it to match the colors. And then all you're going to do is tie it in with the stitch circle and this little flag. That's what I've done. I've got my stamps. Whoops, my ink is Night of Navy. And also Balmy Blue, but I'm not using the Balmy Blue because I don't need Balmy Blue right now. And I'm just going to stamp Friend. And then on my little tag, I'm going to stamp Happiest of Birthdays. Now this is a little challenging to get straight, but it is doable. I'm just going to attach this to my little circle that I've cut out at a little angle, and I'm going to attach this on my little money wallet. Just like so. Now these little treat containers, you guys, these are at the back of the catalog. You may have missed these, but these are phenomenal. And they're really great. They come together super easy. And all I did was I grabbed a 1-inch piece of ribbon, piece of designer series paper, and I wrapped it around and then trimmed away the excess. And then I used this flax ribbon, which is pretty nice, and I wrapped it around. And then again, I finished it off with this blue ribbon, and again, wrapped it around. I used my daisy punched, and that is just to cover that ugly that's happening at the top. And then you're just going to slide this off, and that's your little belly band. Super easy, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you again here on Friday. Take care.